Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to tell when your shocks need to be rebuilt. I've got quite a few questions about this over the last little bit, so I'm going to show you the easiest and most simple way to check before you have rideability problems or bigger issue with the suspension. So the easiest way to check is actually come under here underneath the reservoir and just fill underneath this cap right here. And I'm going to get a towel to show you. As you see on this shock, it doesn't have anything on it, so that shock's still good. So we're going to go to the next one and test it out. Same thing, you're just going to go underneath the reservoir with your finger and you're just going to rub it. But there's something different on this one. This one is filthy. And the reason for that is because when they start wearing out, they start leaking oil and then dirt and grime stick to them. So this shock will need to be rebuilt. And so what I do is I just take this whole shock off and I take it to a shop, just somewhere local, and they'll rebuild it. And typically they charge between $150 and $200. And also another thing to note, when you get them rebuilt, I would add the reservoir extension on here. That allows more oil, that helps with cooling and dampening and all the good stuff when it comes to your suspension. So I'm going to go around the razor and just check all the other shocks, see if any others need to be rebuilt, and then I'll remove it and take it to my local shop. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you all next time.